Reminder when 25 power 260 into 47 power 192 into 71 power 13 divided by 24 divided by 24. Now see here, 24 ones are 24, remainder is 1. 24 twos are 48, negative remainder is minus 1. Minus 1 power even is plus 1. 24 threes are 72, negative remainder is minus 1. 1 into minus 1, negative remainder minus 1, positive remainder will be 23. Right, positive remainder will be 23. I hope method 2 is clear for each one of you. Is method 2 clear for, or is model 2 clear for each one of you? Model 2 clear for each one of you. Banu, I have been telling you the same thing from the last 3 classes. Please put the question doubt properly. Only if you put the doubt properly, I can explain you. Otherwise, I cannot explain you. I am sorry. Right? Is method 2 clear for each one of you? Rambabu? Fan aiva? Method 2. Everybody clear? I hope it is clear. Method 3. Method 3. Not a single doubt you will get in my class. Time will fly just like that, sir. Method 3. Right? Next one, method 3 or model 3. Wait, Uma Maheshwar Rao. I am going by models, right? Something might be coming in the future. Model 3. Model 3. Model 1, Model 2 are basic level models. Model 3. First one, remainder when 7 power 160 divided by 5. Remainder when 7 power 160 divided by 5. Now see here. 7 power 160 divided by 5. Right? 5 ones are 5. Positive remainder is 2. Okay, 1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Model 3, that is model 4. Model 3. First question, otherwise the structure will be missing. 2 power 120 divided by 5. Please write it. 2 power 120 divided by 5. Can the students hold for some time? I am doing model by model. Why are you in a hurry to make me discuss higher models, Kabir? Can you please write the word patience in your notebook? Same is the case for Mahesh. 2 power 120 divided by 5. I am going model by model. Next one, remainder of which power of 2 when divided by denominator I will get plus 1 or minus 1. Numerator power x when divided by denominator is plus 1 or minus 1. Entire idea is this. Which power of numerator when divided by denominator I will get plus 1 or minus 1. Which power of 2? 2 square. 4 divided by 5 is minus 1. So I will do it in 2 methods. Just to tell you, 2 square power 60 divided by 5. 4 divided by 5 minus 1. Minus 1 power even is plus 1. Method 1. Anil sir, can I take 1? I took minus 1 here. Here, important point. Minus 1 power even is plus 1. Minus 1 power even is plus 1. Minus 1 power an odd number. Minus 1 power odd number is minus 1. Minus 1 power even number, it is plus 1. Method 2. Can I take plus 1? So it is 2 power 4 power 30 divided by 5. 16 divided by 5. Remainder is 1. 1 power any number, answer is 1. Whether you do negative remainder or the positive remainder, answer will not change. Every model, minimum 5 to maximum 10 questions I will solve. At the end of the class, before your sleep, my sincere request to you, revise whatever that you have studied for 10-15 minutes. It takes hardly 15 minutes for you to revise, then go to sleep. I hope it is clear. First one, it is clear. Idea is numerator power x divided by denominator is plus 1 or minus 1. Second problem. Remainder when 3 power 57 divided by 82. Remainder when 3 power 57 divided by 82. Which power of 3 when divided by 82 I will get plus 1 or minus 1? 3 power 4 power 14 into 3 power 1 divided by 82. Divided by 82. 81 divided by 82 minus 1. Minus 1 power even into 3. 1 3s are 3. 1 3s are 3. 1 3s are 3. Clear? Third one. Remainder when 3 power 5 factorial divided by 82. Kabir, for you beta. 3 power 5 factorial divided by 82. Can I say 5 factorial is nothing but 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This number is divisible by 4 because 1 4 is present in that number. This is 3 power 4k divided by 82. If I remove 4, still it is an even number. That is important to me. 3 power 4, power an even number. Am I right? 4 if I remove, remaining is 5 into 3, 15. 15 2s are 30. 81 divided by 82. 81 divided by 82 minus 1. Minus 1 power even is plus 1. Minus 1 power even is plus 1. Minus 1 power even is plus 1. Next one. Question number 4. Question number 4. Remainder when 7 power 2402 divided by 2401. Remainder when 7 power 2402 divided by 2401. 7 square is 49. 7 power 4 is 7 square into 7 square. 49 into 49 is 49 square. Already I discussed a shortcut how to find out the squares from 35 to 75. By using the shortcut of how to find out the squares from 35 to 75, it is there in our old YouTube channels. Please refer. 2401. So this is nothing but remainder of 7 power 4 600 into 7 square divided by 2401. 7 power 4 is 2401. Perfectly divisible by this number. 0 into any number is 0. 0 into any number is 0. I hope the idea is clear. 7 power 4 power 600. 7 power 4 is 49 square. 49 square is 2401. 2401 power 600 into 49. 0 into anything 0.